There's a saying in the motorcycle community, loud pipes save lives. The louder you are, the safer you are. And although there's debate on that topic, there's no debate on the fact that bright lights save lives. The more visible you are, the safer you are. Or as I like to say, loud lights save lives.
All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy that intro. As you can see, I just installed some LED running signal lights in the front and the rear. So far, I'm loving them. I have the Walt Disney Concert Hall behind me, as well as the Broad Museum. So the reason I got the LED turn signals was because I wanted to be more visible. Loud lights save lives. And I think that's especially true right now because the streets are very empty, which is great for us motorcyclists, but there's also a lot of cars going very fast. So we got to make sure we're visible out there. What I really enjoy about the running turn signals in the front is that if you're behind a car at night, they can definitely tell that you're a motorcycle by the profile. Sometimes if it's just your headlight, might not see you as a motorcyclist, but when you have those two lights shining very bright, then most likely you're going to be more visible and more safe at the end of the day. So there's many places where you can purchase these LED lights. You can get them on Amazon. I got mine from Rogue Rider Industries. I chose Rogue Rider Industries signal lights because I saw a lot of reviews on YouTube and I'm hoping that they last a few years. I hope that you guys found this video helpful and enjoying all the little accessories I've been putting on this motorcycle. It's a great time to ride right now with the roads being empty, but remember to still be responsible and ride safe. I'm gonna continue riding around, and until next time, you guys have a good one. Peace. How should I end it?